do.
Wait, that can't be. You're not old enough for that.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, my friend Elaine was here and somebody asked how long we'd known each other and I said 40 years and she goes, that's not right. Okay, guess I'm wrong. Let's see. Hot applesauce on toast. Was he trying to make like apple butter? But we didn't have apple butter, we just had apple. Are you afraid? What are you afraid of? Oh, it was in the way? Oh, sorry. Robbie's trying to rearrange my set here.
Just trying to produce, that's all.
Hot applesauce on toast. I would put warm apple butter on. That would be good. All right, we're gonna, look, I don't have enough room in here. I'm gonna need another pan.
More dishes.
I can't get rid of it. We gotta eat it. Just warmed up applesauce and put it on the toast. That I have not heard of before. I know, like we talk about stories and it's like they happened yesterday sometimes.
So what, you hadn't even seen her in like 6 years? 7 years?
6 years probably. She had not met you yet. Man, I love eggplant parmesan. See, now it's not hot enough. I can't get this.
Oh, that's a face.